understand.
Algumas coisas eu não entendi.
That's the difference between Jiva, Tattva and Parikar.
Parikar means those who are eternal manifestation of Krishna's internal potential. They are called Parikar. Jivas, those who are manifested from Krishna's Shakti, Vivinam Shakti, Jiva Shakti. Understand?
But Jiva Tattva can become Parikar?
They cannot become Parikar. Their activity as like Parikar, not Parikar. This is activity. And so Chaitanya Charitamrita explains Parikar Boli Gane. Boli Gane. Gane means Boli means as like Parikar. They will be counted and as like Rupa Manjari. Rupa Goswami Rupa Manjari. Parsi. Parikar. If you go to Golok Vrindavan and serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari, Jiva will never become Parikar. But all the activities or facilities they will get. So our Goswamis explain, Gurudev one lecture was very nice to explain. Those who are Parikar, they have direct service to Srimati Radhika. Those jivas going in their in transcendental world servicing, their service anugattamai seva. Do you understand it now?
Yes.
Anugatta means they serve the Srimati Radhika under guidance of
Parikar.
You are Jiva Tattva or Parikar Tattva?
Jiva Tattva.
So when you will go Golok Vrindavan and you want to stay, you will be served to Srimati Radhika, you cannot get the direct service to Srimati Radhika. Anugattamai seva. You understand? You serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari or any Sakhi Anugatta. If you are Manjari, then you have to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. This is the process. Or you serve to their everybody under guidance of any Sakhi. But this for this regard saying that what is the difference? Jivas they will become Manjari also thing. You get the Manjari form. But your service should be Anugattamai, under guidance. And that service that is called two kinds of service. One is called Nikattama Seva, one is called Durgata Seva. Durga, Nikattama is very close service. Those who are the Parikar, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, they are service to Srimati Radhika, very close. Understand? Very close they can service. They those jivas are going in there, become Manjari form, the Manjari Seva is there. Their service called Durga. Durga means little bit far. Durga Seva. Let's give an example. And another also, there is called those who are Parikar, Rupa Manjari, their Seva is called Satantramai Seva. What did he say?
Satantramai Seva.
That means independence they will serve. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, they will serve to Srimati Radhika Satantramai Seva. Nikunja Juno, Rupikeli Siddhi, Najali Vijuktir Apekshaniya, Adi Raksha, Mande Guru Sri Charanar. Even Lalita Visakha, those who are Prana Prashta Sakhi, and high choice. Even Srimati Radhika's advisor. So Lalita Visakha, they are very hankari to listen. Today, what? Manjaris perform this Leela. Manjari Seva is very confident. Tamularpana Pada Mardana Payudana Visala Vindarana Vindaranam Tatkali Kunja Bhavana Angana Majari. That is Seva is very confident. But those who are jivas, they also get the Manjari form. Their service will get. little bit fast. Jab they Sakhi, they will be say, Manjari say, okay, Rup Manjari say, bring some flowers from the garden. Eh? Understand? And also they will say, you make the chandan. Chandan, understand? Eh? Take this month chandan. But when chandan coming, sandalwood paste coming, that will be also put manjari direct in the body of Srimati Radhika. But they are very, Rupa Manjari, they are sometimes they are very generous. Sometimes they will give chance to Nikatgata Seva, not always. So this is the just 2 points here also Gurudev explain. Do Jiva Tattva, if they will go Golo Vrindavan and if you get their Manjari form, their service this way. Those are Parikar, their service called Nikatgata Seva, very close to service. Tammula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Uhitara Vindara Namas Prana Prishta Sikiladvi Sankochita Bhunkat Rupa Manjita Dasika Aham Samsait. Raghunath Das Goswami composed this verse. Yeah, they will direct with us. Understand? This those are Jiva Tattva, they also go in their service. Their service little bit. That's what is called. That's Sanskrit word that is called Durga Seva. Those are Parikar. Their service called Nikatgata Seva. Durga Seva, Nikatgata Seva. Or another I told Satantra Mai Seva. Those are Parikar. Their service to Srimati Radhika, Satantra Mai Seva. Independent service. Rupa Manjari. Especially Rupa Manjari or Ananga Manjari. Srimati Radhika's younger sister. Sananda Sukhada Kunja. And in the middle of Radha Kunda, there is very nice, beautiful Kunja is there. That is called Sananda
Sukhada Kunj.
Ananga Manjari Seva is there. Confidence. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained Ananga Manjari Seva, this is called incredible. You cannot. General people, they know Rupa Manjari Seva is topmost Seva. This is for everybody can know. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Saptam Goswami, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Kamal Manjari, he explained Ananga Manjari Anugattamai Seva, this is very, very confident. Understand? Because Ananga Manjari Srimati Radhika's younger sister. So their service is very good. So for this regard, in the middle of Radha Kunda, there are one Kunja that is called Sananda
Sukhada Kunj.
And another name is called Madan Kunja. And another also around the Radha Kunja, Ashtasakhi's Kunja is there. Understand? Ashtasakhi's Kunja. Lalita, Visakha, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Tungavidya. All their Kunja is there. And 8 corners of Radha Kunda, 8 Sakhi's Kunja is there. Then all this, they are services. But Sananda Sukhada Kunja, in the middle of Radha Kunda. That Kunja actually belongs to Ananga Manjari. And that Ananga Manjari Kunja, Srimati Radhika and her beloved Govinda. There are many kinds of pastimes. This is the process. So Chaitanya Chaitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, even Jivas with liberated and receive their Manjari form, they also do their service. But their service, that is called this Parikar Seva or Jiva Tattva Seva not. Madhar Jasoda, she serves to Krishna with her Vatsala. A Jiva will go there, Jiva will can to become Mother Jasoda. You have to serve to Srimati
Mother
Krishna with your parental mode under guidance of
Mother Yashoda.
you will not become Mother Yashoda. That is called, if you think I am Mother Yashoda, I am Lalita Vishakati, that is called Aham Grupa Sampasana. But it is a Aham Grupa Upasana. That is also one kind of Advaita Bhava. Understand? Aham Grupa. So you have the Aham Grupa. Two kinds of Aham Grupa. One is those who are thinking I am Brahma. That is your Aham Grupa. You will never become
Brahma.
One who thinking I am Mother Yashoda, I am Radha, I am Lalita, I am Rupa Manjari, that is called Aham Grupa. Rupa Manjari, Rupa Manjari. You cannot become your Manjari name is there also, another name. Now we can understand. Now your Manjari's name?
Pakura Manjari. Rasagura Manjari.
Pakura Manjari,
Rasagura Manjari.
Laddu Manjari, Katauri Manjari. But you have. But when you do bhajan and sadhan, Shraddha, first Saranagati, surrender, then Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha,
Ranakriya, Nataniviti, Nishtha, Rucha, Shakti, Bhav, and Prem.
Prem, Sneho, Man, Pranay, Ragam, Bhav, Udura, Udura, Mohan, why slowly, slowly. Now you always think, how will I remove all kinds of unearthed, unwanted things from my heart? Last in that investment, stupid nonsense, that's true. And in our heart is not. Not. But you chanting holy names, Sadhu, Guru and Vaishnava, Krishna Hari Katha. Then slowly, slowly, all the unearthed, then you will realize it. You have everything. And you are the friend of Krishna, Sakha Bhav, or you have Vatsal Bhav, parental Bhav, everything. That potential have you. If not potential, that will never manifest. Jatha Tusava Ghatinam. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very clearly explained, if you, what is called? Humming. Humming the, what is called? Husk. Never, grains will not come. This is true. Jata tusabo ghati. Tusabo ghati. If you are humming the husk, rice will come or not?
No.
Or if the, what is called?
Right.
Paddy, understand? Done, right. Because all you are saying same word, paddy, rice. Rice or paddy difference, you know? What do you mean? Rice or paddy. Dhan and chawal, not the same. Dhan means paddy. The rice inside there, but covered with the skin. So that the paddy, if you humming, then the husk will be go out. Then you can get the rice. Basmati rice will come. The same way, but inside is no rice, no grain. Are you humming? Coming out? No rice. In the same way, you have that potential. You have Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabunai Sarvanadi
Yashodotite Krodai.
In Jayavadhan very clearly explained. Jivas have very nice beautiful form. As like your hands, legs, eyes, nose, everything you have. Now this body is you have 5 elements, material. But Atma Sarir, that is called transcendent. You have everything. You have very nice beautiful form. You have everything. This body is the gross body. Inside the gross body, subtle body. Then inside the subtle body, that is called
So, Atma Sharira.
you have it. But that is how it say, very and potential. You know that. If anything is not potential, that will never manifest. So in the same way, Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jayavadharma very clearly when he was manifested from that Shakti, Lord. And that potential is there. You have this. Every time I was saying this thing. And this mustard seed. Mustard seed. But the mustard seed, if you crush the mustard seed, you cannot see it. You cannot see the leaves, you cannot see the tree, nothing. But same mustard seed, if you put on the ground and plant it, give water, then sprout comes, then small plant comes, then big tree will come, then and fruits will come. In the same way, in the heart of the Jiva, you have Atma Sarir. But this is not true. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Saptam Goswami, what is saying? This is called absolutely
Truth.
understand, read that. So what Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this is true.
Our gurus Parikar or Jiva?
When you do bhajan and sadhan, they don't understand. Who is Parikar or Jiva? That is not the sadhan. Parikar or Jiva, this is not. When you do bhajan and sadhan, you understand. If I tell, you may not understand. But always sadhak is thinking, my Gurudev is Parikar. He is Parikar or Jiva Tattva. You may not understand. You understand? But all sadhak, they thinking, my Gurudev is
Uttama Bhagavad.
Understand? When you go Guru Vrindavan, do bhajan and sadhan, then you realize. But here Vishwanath Chakravarti path, very clearly. Nikunja Juno,
Radhikare Srite Yaya Vidyukte Prakshanya Radhikare Bhakti Vallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanar Vindam.
Rupa Goswami's Grantha, Radha Krishna,
Ganadesha Dipika.
He mentioned on millions mandirs also there. Not only one. But he mentioned only 27 mandirs. If you read very carefully, then you can see that. Gurudev is Parikar or Jiva Tattva. This is not understand or not? So what happens? You are Jiva Tattva. You will get the service under guidance of Guru Rupa Manjari. Narottam Das Thakur saying, Kabe Luko Natho More, Sange Laya Jabe,
Sirupera Pada Padme More Samartibe.
Narottam Das, when my Gurudev Lokanath Das Goswami, he will bring Rupa Manjari, Rupa Goswami, and offer to Lord feet of Rupa Manjari. Then Rupa Manjari, she will give service. Guru and Guru.
The Parikars can come back to the material world to perform lilas, but Jiva Tattvas that achieve the perfection
If
can.
Krishna, Srimati Radhika or Krishna teacher, they are coming. As like Gopkumar. Many times I told. Gopkumar, he is actually not Parikar. He is Jiva Tattva. He told me. You read Brihad Bhagavatam. Gopkumar, he told him after Brahman, and when I arrived in Golok Vrindavan, Then I to prepare to herding the cows with Krishna Subal Siddham. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika she came. Srimati Radhika she told, hey Gopkumar, Sarup, today don't go to herding the cows with Krishna and his Sakha. You have to go material world and bring your disciple. Jana Sarma. Gopkumar he told, you read Dev Bhagavatam very clearly. So Gopkumar told, according to the instruction of Srimati Radhika, then I have come here and waiting for you. It's a written on it. So sometimes Purikar coming, or sometimes according to the desire of Srimati Radhika Krishna, they are also give us coming. Actually, they are when we go there, that time they have no time to I am Jiva Tattva Parikar. We have plenty of time. So you are thinking Jiva Tattva or Parikar Tattva, many things you are thinking. Because I have plenty of time. You have to just you also understand according your knowledge, intelligence. But if you go Golok Vrindavan, that we have no time to think these things. Even Lalita, Visakha, Srimati Radhika, they never think I am married or unmarried. I'm Vivahita or Vivahita. Who is my husband? They are not thinking. Because they have no time these days. They are 24 hours they engaged to serve to Krishna. Now we are in this material world, we are now learning many tattva, siddhanta, many things. This is need also, because otherwise your mind will be not fixed. Siddhanta bole chitte laite na karo alas, jahai te Krishna lage shudra. Are those who are Mukta Mahapurush, they always have their Ashtakal in Leela. They are 24 hours serving to Srimati Radhika. Yes, sir. But sometimes Yogamaya just manifest in their mind, oh, I am married lady. Understand? I born in this place. But then again also Lila Sakti makes forget this. Yeah. Otherwise, because why Yogamaya manifests in their heart, I am married lady, divine. Because when the Parukya Rasa is coming, without married lady, they cannot meet with Srimati Radhika. Hey, Krishna. So for this guy, Yogamaya sometimes manifest in the heart of Srimati Radhika or Gopis, these things. Oh, I am married. But most of the time they forget. They are serving. So we discuss about Madhurya Rasa, two kinds of Madhurya. One is called Samandatmika, another is called Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Sridham. They serve to Krishna according to their relationship. They are Atma and spontaneous, this type of Samandha, that is your prominent. Seva, secondary. According to their Samandha, they serve to Krishna. Another is called Kamatma. Kamatma means transcendental divine love. This Kamatmika is not the use this word, transcendental lust, or material lust. There is in this word Kamatmika means Kam Dhatu. The verbal root come in different of this year. How to serve to Krishna. How to fulfill all the desire of
Krishna.
From the heart. Verbal root common. Different that. Transcendental divine lust. Aprakita. Is Kamatmika Bhakti again? One is called
Sambhog
Sambhog Ichamai,
Ichamai,
another is called
Tattva Bhavik
Tat Bhavichamai.
Bhavichamai.
Sambhog Ichamai, that is called, sometimes they also independently, meet with, as in Lalita Visara, they are belong to, Sambhog. Or those who are manjaris, they are called
Tattva Bhavik.
Tattva they serve to Srimati Radhika or Krishna, they say, under guidance of Sat Bhavichamai. That is the mantra. One pointed with
Srimati Radhika.
Srimati Manjari Bhav means actually. Tattva Bhavichatmaka Bhakti. They are services. So, this type of service is going on there. And 24 hours they absorb how to serve Divine Kapila Radha and Jugal Seva. As like the Natam Das Seva says. Jiv Goswami we call Vilas Manjari and Natam Das Thakur translated from that is called Anu. They are servicing Divine Kapila Radha and Krishna. Takiya Malatir Mala Diva Duhar. I will make one very nice, beautiful garland. Malati flower.
Malati.
And over to Radha and Krishna. Takiya Malatir Mala Diva Duhar Gale Adhore Tulia Divo. About the people, but here the service, always the service, and Anugattama. Rupa Manjari is Anugattama. Sometimes they also service Satantama, not they are Rupa Manjari, is very near. Vidar Vitamustakaya, Masata Kanakaguri, Vidar Sanayani, Sanakai Stava, Kim Karish. Seva is no time for this. That is second. A seva is what? Difference. Samandatmika.
I could not understand the difference between